Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this error message that we have in front of us. Now this is one of the error messages that Joe's getting. He requested me to make him a video on how to fix a problem that he's got, and he's also got a user init problem as well. So what I'm going to do is going to show you the command to actually replace this file to hopefully fix this fix this problem that you've got. Okay, so what we're going to do is you need Windows XP CD to boot to, so you need to boot up into Recovery Console so we can copy these files across. Okay, so first thing you need to do is put the CD in the drive and then boot to that CD and let it load up and then push any key. So you may need to change the boot order there, Joe, to boot to CD. Do that in a BIOS, it might be F2 or delete or something like that, or F1 or F10 until you get into BIOS, and then change the boot order to boot to CD first, and that will help you get this sort of screen that you've got coming up. If you're not getting this, you're not doing something right. Okay, as I said, these error messages that you're getting, this one is nothing to do with a virus, but the other one, user init, could be a virus. Okay, could be a malware virus, looping virus that you get that keeps shutting the PC down. So you need to make sure that you haven't got no viruses on there or no malware on there. If you have Scan with Malwarebytes or Super Anti-Spyware, I will put the links up into my description so you can download those programs. Or you can download the Antivir Rescue CD from that video that I've made and run that. It does take a bit of time, but it will make sure your system's clean before you do this sort of thing. Okay, so I'll pause this now and let this load up. Okay, so it's nearly there now. Setup is now starting the Windows. We should get the option here to go into Recovery Console. So we want to push R at this stage to get into Recovery Console, like so. And then we want to. You may see a dual boot here if you've got two different operating systems on there. If you haven't, and you like mine, just push 1, push Enter. Okay, I haven't got an administrator password, but if you've got one, you need to enter it in at this stage. I haven't got one, so I'm just going to push enter. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do is type map, and this is going to tell me what my CD-ROM drive letter is, and it's D. So now I know that's the drive where the CD, Windows CD's in. So that's going to be part of my command. Okay, first thing we do is go to System32, CD System32, like so. Push enter, and that puts us into the System32 folder, and now we can put our command in. So we need to do expand, expand D, and whatever your drive letter is, mine's D, yours might be something else, F or something like that, but you need to check, okay, because it's D for me, so I'm putting D in. Okay, 386 and then backslash wind, then we need to do auto, okay, auto like that, and then .nt and then underscore and then space, then C : backslash Windows, like so, and then backslash System32, like so, and that's the command there. What you can see, push enter, and it will say, do you want to overwrite that file? You say Y for yes, push enter again, and it'll say one file expanded. Okay, that's the first fix. Okay, now I could make another video for the other one if you want, but I'm just going to do it straight on this one just for you, Joe. Right, so the next command you need to do is do expand again, okay, and then D : backslash I386. Again, exactly the same up the top, but you're just changing that one to the user init. Okay. Now this user init file was sometimes used by malware to cause problems, loop viruses and stuff like that, keep looping, shutting the PC down. So make sure that you haven't got that virus on there, otherwise this is going to be a pointless exercise. Okay, so we need to do Windows and then System32, like so, and then push enter on that, and you'll get the overwrite thing again. Say yes, and then push enter. Okay, and that should see you booting up, and you shouldn't get an error message anymore because we've replaced those files. Alright, so I will put the links up for Malwarebytes and Super Anti Spyware, so you can actually run your system clean on that, or you can actually watch the other video about antivirus to make a rescue CD to actually clean the system that way. Alright mate, so I'm going to type exit here now to exit out of this, and that's basically it really. So thanks very much for watching. My name is Brian from britech.co.uk. Hope this helps you out, Joe. Hope this gets your PC back up and running. Please rate for my videos, subscribe to my channel, and best luck mate. All the best. Bye for now.